problem is express y as a Fourier series up to third harmonic given. So this is a table value x in terms of radian they have given 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 and 2 pi, and respective values of y are 1.98, 1.30, 1.05, 1.30, minus 0.88, minus 0.25 and 1.98. So you can see here, so values, so 0 and 2 pi. So if you draw a circle, it will start with 0 degree and end with 2 pi. So that's why, so the value of 0 and value of 2 pi both are same. You can observe here it is 1.98 as well as for 2 pi also 1, because 2 pi and 0 it will merge in a common point, so that we can complete a circle. It will start with 0 and end with 2 pi. So therefore, so value of 0 and value of 2 pi will be always what here the same. So as per this data it is 1.98 and 1.98. In such cases, either while considering the value of capital N, so either we need to omit the first one and we have to start the value from what here second to last, or we need to or else we can omit the last one and we can start with what here 0 to 5 pi by 3. So remember this. So here, so in this example I will omit what here last value, that is 2 pi, and I will take from 0 to 5 pi by 3, and these all values of x are in terms of radian. I want to convert in terms of degree. How to convert? So pi value you need to consider as what here 180. So 180 upon 3, 2 into 180 upon 3, so 180. So 4 into 180 upon 3, 5 into 180 upon 3, because pi values you need to consider as what here 180, so that it will become 0, 60, then 120, 180, then 240 and 300. So those values, these all radian values will convert in terms of degree, and so that it will be easy. So and value of n, if you count first to last but one, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so value of capital N will be 6, and we are omitting what were last one. Remember, this is one of the very important. So therefore, so while preparing table again we'll think that one. So solution, so what they have asked, we need to find third Fourier series up to third harmonic. The Fourier series up to third harmonic is given by y is equal to a0 by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2x b2 sin 2x plus a3 cos 3x plus b3 sin 3x. So this is a third harmonic of Fourier series. So we need to find a0, a1, b1, a2, b2, a3, b3. So that I will write the formula in general here. A0 formula is what here 2 upon n summation y cos x. Then I will write we need to find a1, a2 as well as a3. So therefore I will write the formula an is equal to 2 upon capital N summation y of cos of nx. If n is equal to 1, we'll get a1 formula. When n is equal to 2, we'll get a2 formula. When n is equal to 3, we'll get a3 formula. So similarly, so I will write the bn formula also. Bn is equal to 2 upon n summation y sine of nx. So if you put n is equal to 1, you will get b1 formula. N is equal to 2, we will get b2, because it will become sine of 2x. When n is equal to 3, we will get b3, and here we will get what here sine of 3x. So like that we will get. And And so if you calculate, so I told we'll omit the last part, so last value here, so 0 to 5 pi by 3, so therefore the capital N value is what here, if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6, so capital N value is 6 here. So based on this we need to prepare a table. So value of x while preparing, so value of x will be here x value. So value of x, these all table value what we have. So this 0 will this value. So what first value we have 0, it will become 0. Pi by 3, that is 180 by 3 is nothing but how much here? 60. Next 2 pi by 3. If you convert, it will become, it is nothing but 120. Then pi is nothing but 180. Next 4 pi by 3, it will become 240. Then 5 pi by 3, it will become what here? 300. Fine. Next, similarly y values will remain as it is. So y value will remain, that is 1.98, 1.30, 1.05, 1.30, minus 0.88, then minus 0.25. So the last one is what here? Total. So here we needed the respective value. So we needed y cos x value, then y cos of 2x we needed, and y cos of 3x we needed. Then similarly we needed y sin x value, y sin of 2x we needed, then y sin of 3x we needed. So these are the values we needed here. So respective, again same here will prepare a formula in the calculator, that is nothing but alpha y cos of alpha x, close the bracket, calc option, when value of y is 1.98 and when value of x is 0, so resultant will be what here? 1.98. So that value you have to enter here, 1.98. Next, again calc option, similarly when value of y is 1.30 and value of x is 60, so it will be 13 upon 20, which is nothing but 0.65. So 0.65. Similarly we have to enter this column. So the values are here. After 0.65, it will be minus 0.525. Next value is minus 1.3. Next value is on calculation 0.44. Then minus 0.125. So here, so we need to calculate summation y. So summation y is nothing but 4.5. Next we need to calculate summation y cos x, which is nothing but we'll get 1.12. We'll get what here? 1.12. Similarly we need to type y cos 2x in the calculator and we need to get the values here. So on calculation, y cos 2x will be 1.98 minus 0.65 minus 0.525, then 1.3, 0.44, 0.125, and summation of y cos 2x will be, it is 2.67. It will be 2.67. Next we need to calculate the next column, that is y cos 3. So y cos 3, it is the first value on calculation, it will be 1.98. Second value is minus 1.3. Third value is 1.05. Next value is minus 1.3. Next value is 0.88. Next value is 0.25. We need to calculate this from the calculator. And finally, summation y cos 3x will be, it is minus 0.2. Minus 0.2. So we need to be careful in addition, because we have negative signs also here. So what signs are there? That signs we need to apply, and we need to get the summation. So similarly, we need to calculate for y sin x. So y sin x first value will be 0. Second is 1.1258. Next is 0.9093. Next is 0. 0.7621. Next is 0.2165, and the summation of y sin x will be 3.0137. So it is 3.0137. So next y sin 2x will be 0, 1.1258 minus 0.9093, 0 minus 0.7621, 0.2165, and summation of y sin of 2x will be 0. This value will be minus, this will be minus 0.3291. So 0.3291. So next here, if you calculate y sin 3x, so all value will come out here 0 if you check with the calculator. So, and summation of your summation y sin of 3x will be 0. So once we got, so I will recollect the values of all the summations, then we'll go for the values of a0, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. So these are all the summations I have collected. So now, so a0 is nothing but 2 upon n summation y, which is nothing but 2 upon 6. Summation y is 4.5. So which is nothing but, we'll get here, it is 1.5 on calculation. So a1 is equal to 2 upon n summation y cos x, which is nothing but 2 upon 6. Summation y cos x is 1.12. So on calculation we'll get 0.3733. Next, the value of a2 will be, a2 is equal to 2 upon n summation y cos 2x, which is nothing but 2 upon 6. Value of y cos 2x is 2.67, which is nothing but 0.89. Next, similarly, a3 value is 2 upon n summation y cos 3x, which is nothing but 2 upon 6. Value of y cos 3x is nothing but here, it is minus 0.2. So which is nothing but, we'll get minus 0.0667. So we got all these a1, a2, a3. Now b1 is nothing but 2 upon n summation y sin x, which is nothing but 2 upon 6. Summation y sin x is 3.0137. So the resultant will be, so it will be 1.00456. So next, b2 will be 2 upon n summation y sine 2x is equal to 2 upon 6. Y sine 2x is minus 0.3291. So resultant will be minus 0.1097, and v3, that is 2 upon n summation y sine 3x, which is 2 upon 6 into 0, resultant will be 0. So therefore our Fourier series of third harmonic is given by y is equal to a naught value, that is 1.5 divided by 2, plus a1 value, a1 is 0.3733 of cos x, b1 value, b1 into sin x, so b1 value is 1.00456 of sin x, plus next is a2 value, that is 0.89 of cos 2x, and b2 value is minus 0.1097 of sine of 2x, plus third one is a3. a3 is minus 0.0667 of cos 3x, plus b1, b3 value is 0, 0 into sine is 0. So this is a required harmonic result of the given data.